Hello guys, this is tutorial number 76. This is tutorial intersecting component in assembly products. So now in beginner video I show you how to start the assembly. Now I'm going to arrange the assembly part. So I have created two part in previous video. So now before going to attach the parts, so first create the parts. So I have already created two parts beginner video. Now I'm going to open the assembly, so you can go to start and mechanical design, and you can choose assembly design from here, or else you can go to file new and you choose the product. So this is the assembly, click OK. So this is the product one, assembly one. So now here it is the tools of assembly. So now in this video I am going to discuss about existing component and exiting component with positioning. So the what is the difference between these two? So existing component means automatically it will fix the position, and you can't move and push one part to another directions. But if you choose this existing component with the position, so while through the position by your requirement you can change the positions. So this is the difference. So let's start the assembly. So now first I'll go with the existing component. Select the existing component. Now click the product one. You can change the name, or else you can keep it, you can change it later also. So select product one. So now choose the file part 1. So this is the part 1. Click OK. Now this part is open here, and I'm going to existing another component. So again click existing component. Now again click product. Now choose part 2, click OK. So now it's automatically is detect the position. So now you can't move the positions and you can't change the positions, it will fix automatically. There you can able to see here, if I'm pressing and drag it and push it back side, it is not movable. So it means existing component for the fix. So this is the difference. And now I'm attaching another component. I'm going to select existing component with the position. So click this one, select product one. Now again select the part. So let me choose part 2, click OK. Now there is a one icon is open, part 2. So now this is the one part and this is the second part. Now you can choose the position and surface and you can attach. So let me rotate. Now I'm going to attach on this surface. Select this surface. So now just reverse the directions. Now it can change the directions. And if I choose this plane, so it will move to your plane. So you just select and click the part by suppose I'll select this face. Now I'm going to attach on this surface, so now it is going to attach. So that is the difference between these two existing component. Now if you want to drag it, so it will move front and back, which side you want to exist. So it's totally based on your positioning. So select one face and select the second face, so automatically it will detect and change the directions. Suppose I want to fix this surface on this surface, so select this surface, then you select this surface. Now it will adjust, and you can move to your part, and you can shift it anywhere whenever you want to shift your part. So that is the difference between existing and existing component. This is the first one, existing component, and second the existing component with the position. So now the position through you can change the part. So in next video we'll discuss with another examples, another tools. Thank you for watching this video.